गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू नॉर्थ स्टार वेल्थ। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं केयर हेल्थ के सुपर टॉप अप प्लान एनहांस के बारे में। पिछले हमने वीडियोस जो बनाए हैं वहां पे हमने डिस्कस किए हैं सुपर टॉप अप प्लान फ्रॉम स्टार हेल्थ, एचडीएफसी, टाटा एंड इवन आईसीआईसीआई। सो ये सीरीज हमने बनाई है जहां पे हम सारी कंपनीज के सुपर टॉप अप प्लान डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। और एक वीडियो हमने बनाया है जहां पे हमने रेगुलर टॉप अप प्लान को सुपर टॉप अप प्लान से कंपेयर भी किया है कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेगुलर टॉप अप प्लान एंड अ सुपर टॉप अप प्लान। सो आज की इस वीडियो में हम समझ रहे हैं केयर हेल्थ का एनहांस सुपर टॉप अप प्लान। आइए समझते हैं इसको डिटेल्स में। शुरू करने से पहले बताना चाहूंगा दोस्तों, मैं हूं महेंद्र राव। आई एम अ चार्टर्ड वेल्थ मैनेजर एंड अ क्वालिफाइड पर्सनल finance professional, and I'm associated with this industry for last a decade now. So this was about me. So आज डिस्कस करते हैं केयर हेल्थ सुप्रीम एनहांस सुपर टॉप अप प्लान बाय केयर हेल्थ। लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So Care Health Supreme Enhance, a super top-up plan which will help you elevate your health security with enhanced coverage. So यहाँ पे maximum sum insured आपको जो मिलता है that is 95 लाख, अनलिमिटेड ऑटो रिचार्ज है और 100% का क्यूमुलेटिव बोनस आपको यहाँ पे मिलता है। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज अ सुपर टॉप अप प्लान, टॉप अप वर्सेस सुपर टॉप अप प्लान, प्लान एंड फीचर्स क्या है इनके केयर हेल्थ सुप्रीम एनहांस के, रियल लाइफ सिनेरियोज, who should buy this and what are the limitations that you should know. So first is what is a super top up plan and how a supreme enhance work. सुप्रीम एनहांस जो केयर हेल्थ का सुपर टॉप अप प्लान है, एक एडिशनल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड करता है ओवर एंड अबाउ योर बेस पॉलिसी और योर डिडक्टिबल। अगर आपने डिडक्टिबल चूज किया है तो वहां पे आप 5 लाख, 10 लाख, 15 लाख का डिडक्टिबल रहेगा। और एल्स आपका कोई बेस पॉलिसी है वहां से आपका कवर मेडिक्लेम का जो कवर रहेगा वहां से पास होगा एंड ओवर एंड अबाउट दैट विल गेट कवर्ड अंडर सुप्रीम एनहांस। तो यहाँ पे एग्रीगेट डिडक्टिबल है बिकॉज दिस इज अ सुपर टॉप अप प्लान। अगर ये रेगुलर टॉप अप प्लान होता तो यहाँ पे एग्रीगेट डिडक्टिबल आपको नहीं मिलता। सो यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है कि ये सुपर टॉप अप प्लान है जहां पे एग्रीगेट डिडक्टिबल आपको मिलता है। सो फॉर एग्जांपल बेस हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आपका 5 लाख का है, सुप्रीम एनहांस आपका 30 लाख का है। आपने डिडक्टिबल चूज किया 5 लाख का, अब हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन बिल जो है वो 22 लाख का है। सो बेस पॉलिसी आपकी 5 लाख की है तो बेस पॉलिसी से आपका 5 लाख का मेडिक्लेम कवर हो जाता है एंड द रिमेनिंग 17 lakhs विल बी कवर्ड फ्रॉम केयर हेल्थ सुप्रीम एनहांस पॉलिसी. So this is the advantage of having a bigger cover through a super top up plan wherein the premium is very less. So your base insurance plus self-finance are generally considered deductible. But when you take a super top up plan, you get the advantage of bigger cover. नाउ टॉप अप वर्सेस सुपर टॉप अप, यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि नॉर्मल टॉप अप प्लान जब आप लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे स्कोप आपका लिमिटेड हो जाता है बिकॉज ये एक्टिवेट होगा सिर्फ सिंगल क्लेम बेसिस पे। यहाँ पे एग्रीगेट डिडक्टिबल नहीं मिलेगा। ईच हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन आपका सेपरेटली इवेल्युएट होगा। वन क्लेम होना चाहिए जो एक्सीड करेगा आपका बेस हेल्थ पॉलिसी है। 5 लाख की बेस पॉलिसी है तो कम से कम 5 लाख के ऊपर का बिल रहेगा, देन योर टॉप अप प्लान गेट्स ट्रिगर्ड। तो यहाँ पे मल्टीपल स्मॉलर क्लेम्स आपको नहीं मिलते। अगर आपका 5 लाख से नीचे का क्लेम है ऑन कंटिन्यूस बेसिस तो वो मल्टीपल क्लेम्स है तो देन यू गेट नो बेनिफिट एंड इट इज वेरी लेस प्रैक्टिकल फॉर फ्रीक्वेंट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन। वेर इन इफ यू गो फॉर अ सुपर टॉप अप जहां पे क्यूमुलेटिव एनुअल बेसिस पे आपको पॉलिसी मिलती है, ये एक्टिवेट होगा ऑन क्यूमुलेटिव एनुअल एक्सपेंसेस। ऑल द क्लेम्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉलिसी ईयर आर एडेड टुगेदर एंड वो अगर आपका बेस पॉलिसी से ज्यादा भी हो गया देन योर कवर गेट्स एग्जीक्यूटेड। सो यहाँ पे आपका डिडक्टिबल से एक्सीड होने पे बेनिफिट ट्रिगर हो जाता है और बहुत सारे मल्टीपल क्लेम्स भी अगर उसी पर्टिकुलर ईयर में है देन द बेनिफिट अप्लाइज। सो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड बहुत प्रैक्टिकल है एंड इट गिव्स यू द वैल्यू फॉर मनी. So hence always opt for a super top up plan. Most of the companies now are offering such kind of plans which are on an aggregate deductible basis. यहाँ पे 2 प्लान ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. सो लेट मी शेयर द ब्रोशर डिस्कस करते हैं. सो हियर देयर आर 2 ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल इन केयर हेल्थ सुप्रीम एनहांस. पहले तो आपको प्लान 1 में डिडक्टिबल मिलेगा इन द अमाउंट ऑफ 3 लाख, 4 लाख, 5 लाख, 7 लाख, 10 लाख एंड 15 lakhs. And here you can take a sum insured of 20 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore. For 4 lakhs, it is 20 lakhs. For 5 lakh, 45 lakh and 95 lakh. For 7 lakh, it is 93 lakh. For 10 lakh, it is 90 lakhs. And for 15 lakh, it is 85 lakhs. Same in plan 2 as well, जहाँ पे आपको ब्रेकअप में जो मैक्सिमम यू कैन टेक अ क्यूमुलेटिव कवर ऑफ 1 करोड़। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपका डिडक्टिबल 15 lakhs का है, यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर 85 lakh का कवर। अगर आपका डिडक्टिबल 10 lakh का, यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर 90 lakh का सुप्रीम एनहांस का कवर। सो कंबाइंड पॉलिसी जो आपकी बनेगी दैट विल बिकम अप टू 1 करोड़। सो यहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज कवर हो रही है, दैट इज इन पेशेंट केयर अप टू सम इंश्योर्ड, आपका सारा चीज कवर्ड हो रहा है इन प्लान ए एंड प्लान बी। मॉडर्न ट्रीटमेंट इज ऑल्सो कवर्ड अप टू सम इंश्योर्ड इन प्लान ए एंड प्लान बी। रूम रेंट मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल सिंगल प्राइवेट रूम दोनों में मिलता है आपको। रूम रेंट मॉडिफिकेशन में नो लिमिट है, एंड आईसीयू चार्जेस में अगेन देयर इज नो लिमिट। प्री हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन 60 days, 90 days in both the cases. Domiciliary hospitalization up to sum insured in both the cases. Ayush treatment also up to sum insured in both the cases. Cumulative bonus, again it is 10% of sum insured per year, maximum up to 100% of sum insured. एंड जब भी बोनस आपका बढ़ेगा, इट विल नॉट रिड्यूस इन केस ऑफ एनी क्लेम। सो सपोजिंगली इफ आई टेक a deductible of 10 lakh and a sum insured of 90 lakhs, so next year my bonus will be added of 9 lakhs, and so on and so forth. It will keep on increasing on year basis in both the plans. अनलिमिटेड ऑटोमेटिक रिचार्ज भी मुझे मिलता है कि इन केस इफ आई एम यूटिलाइजिंग माई कंप्लीट सम इंश्योर्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर ईयर, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली गेट रीइंस्टेड अनलिमिटेड टाइम्स। एयर एम्बुलेंस, यहाँ पे प्लान 1 में एयर एम्बुलेंस नहीं मिलता, प्लान 2 में आपको अप टू सम इंश्योर्ड एयर एम्बुलेंस का भी खर्चा है वो आपको मिलता है, बट दैट इज अगेन एन ऑप्शनल। अनलिमिटेड केयर में आप जितना भी एनी वन क्लेम ड्यूरिंग द लाइफ टाइम ऑफ द पॉलिसी पेबल विदाउट एनी कवरेज लिमिट, वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिलता है। सो दीज आर द बेसिक टू डिफरेंसेस वेर इन plan 1 and plan 2 differs. One is an ambulance and then the other one is unlimited care. Day care treatment is also covered up to sum insured. So these were the plan and features of Care Health Supreme Enhance Plan 1 and Plan 2. So let's understand more in details about this plan. So if we see the key features, you get a very high sum insured up to 95 lakh of coverage, flexible deductibles from 3 lakhs to up to 20 lakhs options are available in this plan. Unlimited auto recharge is available. It will refill your sum insured once base policy and deductible is exhausted. You get cumulative bonus of 10% per year, and you get Ayush treatment, domiciliary hospitalization, as well as global coverage and cashless treatment in covered in all in this policy. So power features, if we see recharge plus cumulative bonus, if your sum insured is exhausted due to claims, it refills automatically. Unlimited times in a policy years, and that too it works for same illness as well as different illnesses. Recharge cannot be carried forward to next year, right? Not applicable for cumulative bonus amount. It will be covered only on the base policy. Whatever cumulative bonus will be added, that is separate. Valid only for hospitalization expenses and road ambulance. These are the things that will be covered in your recharge, automatic recharge plus cumulative bonus. Cumulative bonus, if we see the calculations in year 1, if you have a base sum insured of 10 lakhs, you get a bonus of 1 lakh. So your total cover in the next year, it will automatically become 11 lakhs. Second year, again the bonus adds, if there is no claim, it will get added of 10% of base sum assured. So 2 lakhs. So it will keep on increasing, and by the time you reach the year 10th, it will be 20 lakh, which is the maximum. So bonus accrues even if the claims are made, and it never reduces. Once you take a claim, it doesn't mean that your bonus stops getting added, it keeps on adding. So that is the beauty of this product, that your cumulative bonus keeps on adding irrespective of the claim. Optional benefit, if you see, there is a global coverage which is available worldwide, right? It can be planned or an emergency hospitalization, and there is a 32 critical illness which are covered in this, and there is no room rent capping under this benefit. So that is a beautiful add-on feature which is available in Care Health Supreme Enhance. Then there is unlimited care. In the lifetime of the policy, you get one claim without any capping of sum insured. So that is again a beauty of this product, and this is an optional. Air ambulance, again an optional. International second opinion you can opt for, that is again optional. PED, waiting period modification, if you want to modify your pre-existing disease, you can reduce it from 36 months to 1 or 2 years depending on your requirement. And there is a waiting period for named ailments, that is also possible in this policy. Now, if we see the aggregate deductible, there are 3 scenarios wherein we are finding it, how to calculate the claim settlements. So there is a scenario 1, scenario 2, and scenario 3. Claim smaller than deductible. If there is a smaller amount less than your base policy, the amount is 3 lakhs. So here you get zero claim. Reason, the claim will be settled by your base policy, or else if you have opted for a deductible, it doesn't get passed through this kind of policy. Now, if there is a scenario, first claim, your exact amount of deductible, the amount is 5 lakh. Here also the played zero. Reason, the base policy was 5 lakh or the deductible was of 5 lakh. So you get zero claim. In the second claim, if there is a 5 lakh claim, complete 5 lakh is paid, right? Now there is a scenario wherein there is a claim of 10 lakhs. So out of 10 lakhs, 5 lakh is deductible, or else it can be covered from your base policy, and the remaining 5 lakh will be settled from this policy. So here three different scenarios we have understood, wherein the amount which is less than your base policy or the deductible amount, the claim will be settled from your base policy. If the amount is similar to your deductible, the claim doesn't get settled. The second claim in the same policy year will get settled. If there is a claim which is more than 5 lakh, which is your deductible or base policy, and the claim is of 10 lakh, the remaining 5 lakh get settled in this policy. So three scenarios we have understood, wherein the claim amount is smaller, the claim amount is similar to your deductible amount, and the claim amount exceeds your deductible, and how the claims are settled. Now again, if we see a real life claim scenarios, base policy is of 5 lakh, supreme enhance we have taken of 20 lakhs, and deductible is of 5 lakhs. Now cumulative bonus, because of 10% addition, the cumulative bonus is of 2 lakhs. So now how the claim will be settled? Now scenario 1, there is a cancer treatment and the total bill comes of 18 lakhs. The base policy will pay 5 lakh, or the deductible is of 5 lakhs, so nothing will be paid up to 5 lakhs. Now Supreme Enhance pays 13 lakhs, right? Because it is under the criteria of 20 lakhs. We have opted for 20 lakhs sum insured. So auto recharge is still active with this policy. Now if there are multiple hospitalization in scenario B, now total bill is 3 lakhs plus 4 lakh, and the cumulative amount is 7 lakhs. Now the base policy is of 5 lakhs. The remaining 2 lakh is paid by Care Health Supreme Enhance. So out of pocket settlement is zero. This is in the same policy year. Now there is a scenario C wherein there is a major surgery and the sum insured is exhausted. Now the total bill comes to 25 lakh. The base insurance was of 5 lakh. Supreme Enhance sum insured was of 20 lakh. So 25 lakh cumulative cover. So Supreme Enhance pays 20 lakh plus recharge of 5 lakh. Automatic recharge was of 5 lakh. So out of pocket expense here again becomes zero. So this is the beauty of having a super top up plan. Now who should buy Supreme Enhance? Salaried employee who already have an insurance with the corporates. Over and above, they can choose that deductible amount, and over and above, they can have a bigger cover. For example, if you have a corporate policy of 10 lakhs, you can opt for 40 lakh super enhanced policy, so that you have a cumulative cover of 50 lakhs. Families with 5-10 lakh of cover, if you have a 10 lakh cover base policy, always opt for a super enhanced or a super top up policy of more than 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs. So you have a bigger cover with base policy plus super top up policy. Self-employed professionals, wherein there is no individual cover which is provided. So in order to have a bigger sum insured, you should always opt for this kind of policy. Senior citizens and people who are having a policy for their parents, they should always opt for a bigger insurance cover, because that cumulative bonus will always build an extra cover, and the super top up policy will always give you a bigger coverage. If you are staying in metro cities, the cost of inflation, the cost of medicals is quite high. So always have an extra cover by having such kind of super top up policy, because the premium here will be very less. Now, if you want a global coverage, you can always opt for such kind of policies. Now, if you see the important waiting periods, here are some important waiting periods. 30 days initial waiting period is there, 24 months for specified illnesses, and 36 months for pre-existing diseases. No mandatory copay in this plan. So that is a beauty again with this product. So what is not covered? Cosmetic is not covered, infertility is not covered, alcohol drug related claims are not covered, non-allopathic treatment is not covered, external congenital anomalies is not covered, Dental, eye, ear, routine examination is not covered. Obesity, surgery, self-inflicted injuries, suicide attempts are not covered. War, nuclear, chemical, biological attacks are not covered. And these are generally not covered across health insurance industry, and most of the health insurance products will not cover such kind of things. So policy terms and eligibility, if we see, minimum entry age is 18 years. Maximum, there is no age bar. Policy tenure is available for 1 to 3 years. Grace period of 15 days. Free look period, if you don't like the policy and the terms and condition, there is a free look period of 30 days. Tax benefit you get under section 80D. And this is about the family filter. If your child is less than more than 90 days, he or she can be a part of the policy. And the maximum age for a child is 25 years. And after 25 years, they should be buying a independent policy, and they cannot be covered under family floater. Premium payment options, again, single, monthly, quarterly, half yearly is available. Grace period 30 days. Renewability is available. No medical test is required to buy the policy. Now, if we see the advisor insight, we always recommend to buy a base policy and buy a super top up or supreme enhance to have a smart cover. This will help you to protect your finances and your healthcare finances with the smart strategy. So 5-10 lakh base policy is not enough, generally not enough. Medical inflation, critical illness treatment now cross 20 to 30 lakh. The gap needs to be filled. So a stand-alone high cover is expensive. So it becomes very expensive to have a base policy of 50 lakh or 1 crore. So always opt for a super top up policy that will help you to reduce your premium and increase your coverage. So you get unlimited recharge, you get a good amount of bonus which will help you to increase your insurance over a period of time. So if you have any queries, if you have any doubt about this policy, you can always write to us, and always have a good health security. Base health policy plus Care Health Supreme Enhanced will give you a comprehensive, cost efficient protection against major medical events. So this was all about Care Health Supreme Enhanced policy, which is a super top up policy with a full on loaded features which can actually benefit you over a longer period of time, and if you have a bigger claim in your life. So it is very important to understand such policies, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel to get the most of the benefit out of all the insurance and investment plans available. Thank you so much guys for listening. In the next video, we will be meeting again with the Aditya Birla Super Top Up Plan. Signing off, Mahindra, until we meet again. Bye bye.